What is up, TBC? It's your boy Chuff Bills coming back at you yet with another video. If you guys do like this, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that red button there with the bell on the side. Today we're going to be doing something with the Trans Am. I'm actually going to go ahead and show you, so let's get wrenching. Did check the distributor, which actually was not set right, so that's why we were getting that P0372 code, because the timing was way off. We got a new module here for the ignition. Is ready. You guys already know where that one's at, and that one's located right there. You'll see that metal brass stuff right there. You got to clean that off and put new stuff. It does come with it. Just make sure you put it on that and the plate as well. Don't mess up. Whatever you do, don't mess up. She finally started today. We finally actually did all that work. We took off the distributor. We went ahead and made sure I'm actually smoking a cigarette for victory for actually getting this thing started. This whole car right here, you're actually getting pretty much brand new stuff inside of it. You got brand new, a lot of the stuff that's inside the interior is brand new, exterior is brand new, paint's coming soon, tires and rims are coming soon, as well as brakes and rotors will be coming very, very shortly. So if you have not yet smashed that subscribe button, make sure you guys go ahead and do that. I'm going to say it enough times so that way you don't miss out on this build. Finally found what the hell we are linking. You will see in front of the motor, right next to the sensor, it's actually right here, right there. It's linking. I'm thinking it's probably this pan that's sitting above, and it's dripping around here, hitting up on this, ending up on the sensor. Not good. It is a miracle. She is starting. She does give a little bit of hesitation at start, but I do have my handy dandy code reader here, which you guys will always have. If you're a car guy, you always carry one of these. Once again, and she's running. Go ahead and run the codes. As far as that goes though, she is running. I'm actually going ahead and pop open the hood. I found out what was smoking, by the way. Smoking in here was actually that bottom tailpipe right there was the one that was actually smoking. And I don't know why, but I'm guessing that either there was some type of oil on it, but I went ahead and wiped it down, and I'm trying to keep my eyes open for more smoke. No more smoke. Let's go see what the code reader says. Alright, code reader has found codes here. We got, looks like two codes. So we got a crankshaft position sensor, a circuit. She's getting hot, but I do smell like something. So let's go back underneath the hood. But no smoke. So you guys can see it and I can't. But I definitely don't see any smoke coming off that engine right now. Guys, I've been trying to figure out why we've been getting a crankshaft position sensor code on the Trans Am, and I found out that actually the bolt has snapped. So the sensor was in there, but it's not positioned all the way in there. And every time you crank the motor, that sensor moves and it causes it to go off balance. This was a very bad thing to happen, but I'm glad I got it out. I took it all the way out. There's the right end. So now I gotta find a screw that is this size, and I gotta try to put that sensor back in and see if I still get the code. And at first I thought it was radiator coolant, but that's not the case. I think what it was right here. I tried to put this stuff around it to make sure that it was this spot, and it's still linked. So it's somewhere right here, and I think the whole problem is that because it wasn't screwed in, I think that the seal that goes around it, that stays in this hole right here, this actually flows oil through here as well. If the oil is an easy way out of this hole, it's gonna start linking all over the damn place. So you always want to make sure, double check after you start it for the first time, and make sure that the bolts are good. I would suggest not to tighten the sensor too tight as long as it's in there. Me, I didn't tighten it that tight, but I guess the bolt was just really old. I should have just replaced it in the beginning. I'm glad I finally got it out. Owner sees this video and he wonders why I put this here, and it's only to make sure that this is the spot that I was linking from. It's not permanent. It's not gonna stay here. So the second week of June is my due date, which is okay, I guess. I just need to find out where the smoke is coming from. I need to make sure I put the seat brackets down, get all those mounted and pushed down. The back seats still need to be mounted. I still need to make sure that the back seat is centered correctly. I need to put the seat belt for the passenger side and the seat belt buckle for the driver's side as well. I need to make sure that the seat belt on the passenger side is also mounted to the body of the car. I'm pretty sure that's pretty much all. I mean, honestly guys, there's not really much left to do. I can put all the trunk pieces back, of course, but that's not a lot. I'm almost done with the interior. The engine is taking the longest because I'm lost. I don't know what's happening or what's going on with it. I did have a little bit of play with the water pump sensor. I noticed yesterday before I went ahead and replaced it, we weren't getting a very good signal. Something was going on with it. But I already fixed that problem. Got the new one today, like I said, and it fixed it. Just trying to figure it all out so that way I can be more rest assured and the engine is running. We're not getting any other codes minus the airflow mass sensor. I already tested it twice today. Turned it off, resetted all the codes, turned it back on, let it run for a little while, turn it back off, turn it back on, and then re-ahead, did the codes again, and that's the only code that I'm getting is the mass sensor code. This pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you guys did like this video, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that red button right there. Don't forget to hit the bell on the side. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the section down below. Share this with all your friends and family. My name is Tough Bills, and I'll see you guys in the next banger.